Okay, so to print this particular pattern, right, we should always ensure that we take care of the left side spaces correctly, and we should try to develop a formula or a condition, right, using the variables r, that is for row, and the space, and the n is total number of rows. Only on the basis of these variables we should always try to generate the condition, especially r and n, right, on these bases, right. So in this particular case, if my n is 5, right, so my number of rows in number of spaces in the first row would be 4, so it is n minus 1, that is n minus r, right. In the second row is 2 and number of stars are 2, row number is 2, and number of spaces would be 3, again 5 minus 2, that is 3 spaces, then 5 minus 3, 2 spaces, 5 minus 4, 1 space, and 5 minus 5, 0 space, right. So that is what we should take care of, right. So what I would do is, right, I'll comment this thing, right, I'll copy this function, right, and I'll paste it here. I'll say print pattern 2, I'll keep the offset as it is, and I'll only change this thing, and here I would simply say n minus r, right. I'll compile this, right, I'll again give 10 comma 5, so it will print in the next row, right. It is crying because it does not have an offset. Right, so this printed me the second pattern. I guess this is also fairly simple. Yes or no? Yes, good. Right, now let us go to the third pattern. Right, again I'll give an offset in this thing. I'll copy this, we'll call it pattern 3, right. Now when we are looking at the third pattern, right, what we should see is the total number of spaces, or the loop or the condition which we require for spaces, it's same as the one which we require in case of our second pattern, right, that is n minus r. So let us first change it to n minus r, right. But along with that, what is changing is the number of stars in each row, right. So first row has 1 star, second row has 3 stars, third row has 5 stars. So it is simply, if you write the condition as 2 into r minus 1, right, I guess this would work. So for first row it would be 2 minus 1, that is 1, second row it would be 4 minus 1, third row 6 minus 1, fourth row 8 minus 1, fifth row 10 minus 1. Fairly very simple, right. So if I just change this thing to 2 into r minus 1, even this thing would work, right. Let us compile it and let us run this, right. It worked. Again fairly simple. Any doubts in this? Yes, tell me the doubt.